Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysis.resource.com. This is just a technical update for our morning analysis video that we posted this morning. Basically, on the morning analysis report, we were looking for the daily S2 level to be broken in order to take us higher up towards that 130.75 and possibly the 130.100 levels up here. Now, today is UK holiday today, so the London market is pretty much closed. A lot of the foreign exchange traders are also off. So the volume on the markets today is pretty low for the London session. We are just opening up for the North American session in the next 30 minutes or so. But overall, the volume has been weak. And we haven't saw a great deal of momentum in the market, but it's been pretty much a grind to get higher. But nevertheless, we have moved higher and we have broke that daily S2 level to take us up towards that 130.40 level that I mentioned. That would probably cause some sort of resistance, but eventually should be broken. Okay, so if you guys, any of you guys followed my analysis this morning and took this trade, then you should have your stop loss at entry price at the absolute minimum, or at least locked in some of the profit on the trade so far. But we will be looking for it to hold this trade. At the very least, you'll break even on the trade or get out with a small profit if it does fall from here. But overall, we're going to keep the trade and try and ride this up towards the 130.75 level and possibly the 130.100 level. Okay, so it has been a grind. There's not a great deal of momentum, but eventually we did break that S2 level, and we're heading up towards the next cluster zone of resistance points. I don't expect a lot of activity in the North American session. We do have the RSI currently trending on a nice little trend line here, but I don't expect a lot of activity in the North American session. If we do get any momentum from North America, then it'll probably shorts in the market and to take price lower. Based on the economic events and the elections that happened over the weekend in France and Greece. Now, I have had a lot of contact from my various different dealing desks across Europe and also in Asia that we do have a variety of different offers sitting in the market right about this region, the 130.40 up towards about the 130.50 level. We have been touted that there is offers sitting in the market, but they're pretty low. And I've also been told off my contacts that we do have buy orders sitting above the 130.50 level, with more offers sitting in the market at 130.75 up towards that 130.100 level up here as well. Okay, so there's a little bit of a mixture between offers, bids, sell orders, and buy orders sitting in the market as well around this cluster zone of resistance points, which is also playing a little bit of momentum dampening on the euro dollar today as well. But overall, I do think we still will test that 130.75. That is the overall target, really. If we did break above that and hit the 130.100, that would be a bonus. But really, we're just looking for that 130.75 on such a quiet day today with the UK on a holiday. Okay. Another note that I just want to mention that you guys can actually follow me on Twitter, and basically what I do on Twitter, if I just bring up my page here, you guys can see that I do post a lot of information during the course of a day, as well as trading ideas for other currency pairs, whether it's scalp trades, day trades, swing trades. I post a lot of technical information as well as order flow from my contacts. And as well as other market moving news. So today I've posted actually quite a lot today. Various different trade ideas for the CAD Yen, the Pound Swiss, the Dollar CAD. We've also got a nice little trade on the CAC, which is the French indice. We had a nice little trade on that today for about 30 or 40 pips. All the other trades are potential setups that I posted. Not just that, but again, I do post the order flow details for a lot of Forex pairs as well as information. So if I just click this link, this is something that I posted up on my Twitter page that you guys can read, and this will give you a lot of information, what I expect the market to do and so on. And give you a little bit of an insight as well as the order flow levels. And you guys can actually follow me. There's my Twitter address right there. which is at forex underscore tech analysis. So if you guys just click on follow if you got a Twitter account, then you'll be able to be updated for all my stuff. I post you out throughout the day, and a lot of this is from dealing desks, who I have lots of contacts with from my days trading at dealing desks. So it's all useful information that I post up. And again, a lot of this information is tradable on the day and going on to the next day as well. Okay, so I hope you guys do decide to follow me on Twitter as well as follow my analysis. Okay, guys, have a great trading day.